Welcome to this simple tutorial on how to find the page ID and post ID in WordPress in just 5 minutes. In this guide, you will learn how to easily navigate your WordPress site to locate these identifiers, which can be useful for various customization and troubleshooting tasks. Begin by opening your web browser and visiting your WordPress site. Once you have arrived at the home page, look towards the top right corner of your screen where you will find a login option. Click on this login area to begin the process of signing into your account. After you click the login option, you will be presented with different methods of signing in. For convenience and speed, select the option that lets you continue with your Google credentials. When you choose the Continue with Google option, a list of available Google accounts will appear. Simply choose the account you wish to use and you will be logged into your WordPress site automatically. This method is efficient as it leverages your pre-existing Google authentication, saving you the hassle of remembering additional credentials. Now that you have successfully logged in, the next important step is to navigate to your posts. In your WordPress dashboard, locate the section that takes you to your posts area. This section is usually clearly labeled, making it simple to identify. When you click on posts, you are taken to a comprehensive list of your existing posts where you can manage or edit any of them. This step is essential if you happen to be looking for a specific post ID or if you're in the process of organizing your content. Following your exploration of posts, you will now need to move on to pages. In the dashboard area, look for an option related to pages. Click on this option and you will be directed to your list of pages. This view is somewhat similar to the post list, but it contains pages instead. This is particularly important if you are looking for a page ID rather than a post ID. Once you have navigated to your pages, the next step involves selecting the specific page you wish to edit. By clicking on the edit button associated with your chosen page, you will be taken into the editing interface. Here, you can make any necessary modifications to your page or simply use this view to locate the identifier. In the editing interface, take a moment to examine the URL in your browser's address bar. You will notice that the URL includes a series of numbers. What you need to do is copy the number that appears immediately before the word that identifies the post. This number is the unique identifier for the page or post you are editing. Having access to this unique number can be particularly useful if you are troubleshooting specific issues, or if you intend to use the identifier as part of a plugin configuration or a theme customization. This concludes the tutorial on finding the page ID and post ID in WordPress. By following these straightforward steps, you can reliably locate the identifying number for any page or post on your WordPress site. The process is both quick and efficient, taking only a few minutes from start to finish. Enjoy your improved WordPress management experience and feel confident in your ability to locate and utilize these important identifiers as needed.